My name is Douglas Little. My obsession for fragrance has been there since I was a kid. I used to break my mom's perfume bottles, try to figure out how to get the juice out of it. Yeah, she was super pissed. But she loved it, and she thought it was really funny that this was something that I was doing. This has kind of been a lifelong goal for me to finally be, sitting here telling you, I'm a perfumer.
3, 2, 1, 0.
In developing a fragrance, it usually takes me about 2 years to be able to get a fragrance to a place where I'm happy with it. What I do is I work with perfume blotters, which are pieces of basically watercolor paper. I dip them into the various fragrances. I'll work with anywhere between 9 to 15 different fragrant notes. And then I start to figure out what the dosing is going to be. Drop by drop by half drop. I have to really work with it, allow it to sit. And in that time period, you have no idea. Sometimes a fragrance will go completely upside down by just adding 1 drop of something too far. And then you have to start the process all over again.
She is wild, wicked, classy, delightful. She's taboo.
What I'm obsessed with is this idea of what is authenticity. And these naturals are 100% authentic. They have a rawness to them, they have a muskiness to them, and ultimately they're alive. Fragrance is the only sense that we possess that is directly connected to our brain. No other sense is passing directly over brain tissue. And that's why fragrance causes such an immediate reaction and this flood of memory at times. Fragrance is something that's magic in the sense that it's invisible. And what an unbelievable platform to work with, to be able to say that you sell the invisible.